Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10 Bio, Chapter 3, Support and Locomotion. Let's begin with lesson. Support systems in aquatic plants. Aquatic plants cannot stay upright on land because of their stems, which are soft and non-woody. Aquatic plants can stay upright in water because their weights are supported by the buoyancy of water. Quiz time. How many did you get right? Some aquatic plants have many air sacs in their leaves and stem that make them light, so that they can float on water. Some aquatic plants have tiny leaves to ensure that they are not disrupted by the flow of water. Example, hydrilla. Choose the best answer for each question. Know the answer, comment now and hit subscribe. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.